Okay, so hello guys. I'm back again for another video tutorial. So this time we're gonna be discussing what I've mentioned in my previous video tutorial, which is polymorphism. So there are lots of similarities in function overloading and polymorphism, but they have different methods or different way to declare and create that. Okay, so let's try and have an example. But first, gonna I'm gonna open my PowerPoint right there. So first of all, what is polymorphism? So polymorphism means the ability to present the same interface for different data types. So that is its definition right here. Okay, so why we need to use and why we need to learn and implement polymorphism in our code or in our program. So first is it is used extensively used in implementing inheritance. So later in our course, so we'll discuss it. What is this one? The inheritance. So we'll also give some example of it. So second one is share same external interface with different internal structure. So that is why we need to implement polymorphism in our program, in our code. Okay, so let's go back to our IntelliJ editor right here. So I'm going to create another Kotlin class here. So I will name it as polymorphism. Polymer polymer polymorphism polymorphism polymorphism. Okay, sorry about that. Function name. Okay, so let's create another sample example function. So uh, sample function. Okay, sample function. So let's create another sample function. So sample function. So let's create another one. Sample function. Sorry, function. Okay. So what we can do right here is because basically we will change the arguments right here or the parameters so that it will not give us an error. So as you can see, it gives an error right here. So what we can do is sample int. Okay, so this is my variable name, and then I will declare this as integer. Okay, so this one is sample string. Okay, this is a string value. Sample double. This is a double data type. Sorry, double. Okay. Mm, what happened here? Sorry. Sample double. And okay. So we can just add right here the same. Can automatically print sample int, print sample string, then print sample double. Okay, So what we did here is created three functions with the same function name, but we change its we also have different uh, variables right here with a different data type. So this is the concept, guys, of polymorphism in Kotlin programming. So it is very different in function overloading, because in function overloading we use the same function name at the same time. We can also use the same string variables, but we have to add more the arguments right here, or the parameters right here. But in polymorphism, we can also use different the same function name, but we need to change its data types right here. Excuse me. We need to uh, differentiate or change its data type so that it will not give us an error. Okay, so let's have and try to print this one. So for example, sample function, sample function, and we will integer. Okay, so second is sample function with string. So hello, hello. Okay, second one is function with double 10.0, uh, double value, simple function. Okay, right here. So 10.0. Okay, so let's try and run our example right here. Okay, so print line. Sorry for that. Print line. Okay, let's run it. Try. So as you can see, it already uploaded these values right here. The 10, the which is this one. The function is put in the value of 10. The second function is the first function is basically integer. The second function is a string, and the third function is a double data type. So this is the concept, guys, of polymorphism on Kotlin. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. This video. Okay, so bye for now.